everyone, welcome back to my vlog. For today's video, we are currently, as in we, I mean Tony is also here with me. We're currently driving to another photo shoot, and I have showed the behind the scenes of a photo shoot before in a couple videos back, but today I want to take you along on this one because it's a little different than anything I've done before. It's kind of like a bridal style, like fashion editorial shoot, and I've never done that before, so I want to show the behind the scenes of kind of what goes on, me getting my makeup done, and just like how the whole process works. Obviously, I have Tony with me because I always like to take Tony as much as I can, just because like you always want to be safe, especially if you don't know the photographer. You always want to be safe, even though I can guarantee you these people we're seeing today aren't dangerous at all. I'm sure they're really, really nice, but it also is just fun to take Tony along and kind of have him for support, and also so he can film the behind the scenes. I also have my smoothie today. I got a green smoothie, and that's very different from what I normally get because I was actually feeling super unhealthy like this whole weekend. I just thought I would get this green smoothie. It tastes pretty good. It kind of tastes like grass a little bit, but it's healthy. And yeah, I have a biodegradable straw on here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're just driving there now, so we will see you guys when we get there.